Good afternoon. I'm Shahrin Hisham Aminuddin. So today I would like to present a paper entitled Biomechanics Analysis of Normal Jump Shot and Fadeaway Jump Shot in Basketball. So these are all the authors of this paper. We are from UTHM and including our collaborator from National Sport Institute of Malaysia. So background of study, actually biomechanical analysis allows us to study on the player's movement. So in this study, actually we focus on the scoring, the basketball shooting, which it actually requires a long period of time to training. So by using the Openpose, MATLAB and Logger Pro, the player can learn and master the shooting skills easier and faster. So in this paper, the scoring effectiveness of normal jump shot and fadeaway jump shot will be determined. So two parameters were analyzed: body posture and release angle. And this analysis allows us to have a better performance with the aid of our Openpose and MATLAB software with Biomechanics calculation. So this is the methodology of our study, which starts from we are using search of participants, and then we start recording, and then we start to do the shooting, basketball shooting, and then we recorded the video, and then after that we did the video editing, and then we calculate the time frame for each section. Next we use Openpose to generate a key point, and then we were using a MATLAB to get the body posture angle, and then another one we use a Logger Pro to generate the x-axis and y-axis velocity. And then from that, we use data from Logger Pro to calculate the required data input table. And then the last page is the data analysis. So actually 10 participants participate in this recording at standard basketball court. So the participants, there are two type of shootings. The first one is the normal jump shot. Second one is the fadeaway jump shot. So the editing were according to the desired section calculation, and then the key points were generated by using Openpose, and then it was recorded in MATLAB to get the angle body posture. The short videos were used in Logger Pro for x and y axis velocity, and the data obtained from Logger Pro were used to calculate the required output. So these are all the methodology of this study. So Openpose is adopted for 2D skeletal recognition. So the skeletal, we can see from figure 1, this shows the skeletal coordinates of x as horizontal and y as vertical. So biomechanical study focus on the analysis of the characteristics using there are two short studies: normal jump shot and fadeaway jump shot. So this is the decoding JSON files using for MATLAB. And these are the details of the table, shows the angle at the beginning of normal jump shot. This data was obtained from the MATLAB from one of the participants. It shows the normal jump shot, number of shots, and the angle studies, including the release angle, the right shoulder, left shoulder until the left knee. Okay. So this is the angle at the beginning of fadeaway jump shot from one of the participants also. This data was obtained from the MATLAB. So this is the number at this column is the number of shots. At the upper column is the fadeaway jump shot. These are the same parameters studied, including from release angle until the left knee, the position. And these are all the average value. At the bottom is the average value. Okay, this slide shows there are three figures. The first one is the velocity of x-axis for basketball. This data was obtained from the Logger Pro. The second one is the velocity of y-axis for basketball, obtained from Logger Pro. And the third one is velocity of triceps, obtained from same also from the Logger Pro. So these are all the analysis data recorded and then analysis. So this table shows there are two types of jump shot: normal jump shot and fadeaway jump shot. the value was the average value for tricep of Scott. Okay, for normal jump shot and fadeaway jump shot. So the first one is time for triceps. Second one is the tricep acceleration, the ball velocity, tricep force, tricep jolt, ball momentum until the triceps power. So this is for the normal jump shot, and at the second column is the fadeaway jump shot. So from the result, it was found that effective of successful jump shot, the effectiveness of normal jump shot, the percentage was about 60%. Compared to fadeaway jump shot, the effectiveness is 36.7%. Okay. So it can be concluded from our study, it can be concluded that normal jump shot was found to be more effective compared to jump shot. Why? The first one, because it required about 9.5% less power to perform compared to the fadeaway jump shot. Compared to fadeaway jump shot, meaning less power produced means the player use less energy. For normal jump shot, it requires less energy compared to using fadeaway jump shot. So the second one, our conclusion, the average angle that's got for both normal fadeaway are 59% and 60 degrees respectively. Okay. However, it does not meet the successful. So normally the successful course angle between 45 to 55 degrees. And our third conclusion, the possible causes of this angle of release could not meet the score angles. It's because the technique used by the player did not achieve the required release angle.